Hey friends, I keep seeing this more and more. My friends are inviting me to be their friend, but they're not my friend. Somebody's copying them and trying to attract their audience. For example, my good friend John Nemo, excellent coach and realtor, helps people find and grow their best. Um, got an invite for this. What are the signs that this is a bad post, a bad thing, a bad, not the real deal? First of all, he only has 4 friends, and John is way more popular than that. Second, I already have him in my friends list, so that shouldn't be the case. What should John do? He could have a separate persona that he could be putting up, so you want to check with him directly. If you're sure and absolute that this is not them, and John himself can go over here and say, hey, I'm going to report this profile. You just dig in there, click something about this profile, click, and say problem oh, fake profile, and then you say who is it pretending to be? A friend, and then you pick your friend's name here, so I can go in here, find my friend John, and go like, hey, this is the friend that's being impersonated. I'm not going to do it because I haven't checked with John yet, but I am going to send this video to John so that he can manage it. And if he wants me to, I will also click these 3 dots here, this little hamburger menu, go report profile, and send it off to the world, so we can squash this before a whole bunch of other people get listening to whoever is mocking this. Oh yeah, the third sign or second sign is there's no posts. There's only one post, or maybe there's just a couple posts, or it's a brand new account. Um, but watch out for that. Be careful and protect your YouTube and your world. And hey, let's be honest on Facebook, YouTube, Facebook, whatever. Let's be honest online and be real people and build God's kingdom first. You be blessed.